What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great time. Today we are going to be working on a Dodge truck that has a very severe exhaust leak, and the up control arms have a lot of play in them. We're going to tackle one job at a time, so I'm going to make a video on maybe the manifolds first, and then we'll do the control arms later. But like I said, this is a brother-in-law's truck, and he actually went to the dealer and got an estimate to see how much they would charge to get it fixed. So here we have the service estimate that he had gotten. He wanted to get the serpentine belt done. It's gonna cost him $130 with labor. The upper control arms with parts was gonna cost him $768. Alignment for $129. And the exhaust manifold doing driver and passenger side for a grand total of $1,000. So the total was gonna cost him $3,500 to get that done. All right, guys, so first things first, got the wheel off, and we're gonna need to take off this wheel housing here, this plastic here, just to make it easier for us. Like 13/16 or a 21. Put it back on, maybe like 2 threads, and then that way when you hit this with the hammer, this doesn't come flying off. It'll stay stuck here. When I hit right there. You see, this one says R, and then it's got a part number. That means right. So this is passenger side. It'll have right here also. Right, meaning passenger, and the left side will be the driver's side. And also, when you get a new control arm or lower control arm, it's got a ball joint, even if it's a tie rod end, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and, because when these come brand new, they're stuck in a certain spot. You want to try and, let's see, there you go. See how hard that was? And if you put it on like that, and you don't move it or break that spot free, it'll put it in the bind, the suspension in the bind. So you definitely want to loosen it up before you put it back in. All right. This. All right, now we can just tighten everything back up. And we're done. All Alright guys, that's a wrap for today's video. Control arms are on and it rides back to where it should be. Now we just need to go get an alignment done to make sure everything's back in specs. I hope this helps you out. If it does, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.